Good morning, children. How are you? Hope so you are doing your best. So, today we shall see the lesson number 3 of your reader chapter, The Antique Mask Adventure. Here, let's start the chapter. The twins Nandini and Devyani are coloring pictures. So, here in this chapter, we will see the twins named Nandini and Devyani sisters are coloring a pictures. Their friend Sanat is with them. They have a friend whose name is Sanat. He is with them. Suddenly they hear a voice, "Hello children." So, when they were painting the pictures and coloring the pictures, they heard a voice of "Hello children." They look up to see Uncle Alok. So, what do they see? They see their Uncle Alok. He is their mother's brother. So, who is he in relation? He is their mother's brother, मतलब मम्मी का भाई. Hello, Uncle Alok. So, all the children present there, they greeted and told him hello. Say the three of them together. They are happy to see him. So the children are very happy to see him. Obviously, all the children are very happy to see their uncles and aunties because they bring so many things to play, so many toys for their children. He is fun to be with. So, what the children are telling? The children are telling that he is fun. मतलब उनके साथ रहने के बाद ना बहुत मज़ा आता था उनको. And plays games with them. He also played games with the children. However, today he looks worried. So, what is the problem today? Why he is looking worried? However, today he looks worried. Why he is looking worried? He told, I have to go to the police station. He informed the children that he has to go to the police station. He says an antique mask has been stolen from the museum. So, he owns a museum where all the antique things are present. What is a museum, beta? Museum is a place where we can see old and valuable things present there. You can also buy them at a reasonable rate. Somehow they are very expensive because they are very of rare type. और उनकी जैसी चीज़ें ना बेटा फिर बाद में हमें नहीं मिलती है, इसलिए वो बहुत पुरानी होती है. Plus they are very rare. Okay, so what can we do to help? The children asked the uncle what can they do to help him. The children wonder after Uncle Alok left. Okay, so when uncle left, after informing them about the antique mask, he left the children there and went. I know, says Devyani, let's go to Mr. Sly's shop. So one of the twin sisters told, I know, says Devyani, let's go to Mr. Sly's shop. So one of the sister told that she knows what to do and told everybody to go to Mr. Sly's shop. Oh yes, says Nandini and Sanat. So after her, when she informed them about going to Mr. Sly's shop, all the children were agreed with her. His shop is full of antique things. So he also owns a shop. Who? Mr. Sly. He also owns an antique shop. And Devyani says that he also has many things in the shop. The children walked to the shop. It takes them 5 minutes. The children walked to the shop. It took them 5 minutes. They go in to have a look. So the children went on walking to the shop and it took them 5 minutes to reach there. So for now this much only, and again I will continue.